So hi, in this video I'm going to discuss the problem of Codeforces from 947. This is the division to contest. Ah, so the problem is C problem basically of the contest. Mocha likes array, so before her departure, Camo gave her an array A consisting of n positive integers as a gift. So basically we have given an array A whose size is n. Mocha doesn't like array containing different numbers, so he decides to use magic to change the array. He can perform the following three-step operation. So basically, the statement is something like that. He doesn't like different elements, so he want to make the all the elements in that array equal. So to do that, what he will do is he will choose simply L and R. Okay. Note that L is not equal to R. L cannot be equal to R, right? Let X be the median of the 7. Okay, so we need to choose L and R. That will be what? It would be a sub array from AL to AR. Now we have got a sub array. Now I need to find the median of that sub array, and I will replace all the all the elements of the array with median. Simply, this is what it is saying. As you can see, the example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, suppose I have chosen the last two elements 4 and 5. So median of last two elements would be what? 4. So I will replace them with 4 basically. I will explain it. Okay, so let me take the sample test cases. So I think problem would be understandable, simple, clear. What we have to do is simply we need to change all the elements in that array to a single element, and that should be maximum. So he will perform the operation until the array contain only the same number and wants to know the maximum possible. Basically what we have to do is we need to make the all the elements in the array equal and the maximum. Using what? First we will choose to index L and R. This will be the index starting and ending position of the subarray, and we will find the median of the subarray and replace all the element of the subarray with this. So this is the simple and clear cut problem. So let me start with the test cases first of all. Okay, let me have it here. So problem is clear, right? Let's take an example. Let's say uh, 3 1 4 2 1. Let's say this is the example. What would be my answer? First of all, look, if I choose these two elements, so first I will short them. Now median of these two would be what? 1. So if I select these two as a sub array, then I need to replace it with 1 1 4 2 1, right? I need to do that. So at the end I am getting 1. Okay. So I have to do all the elements in the 1. But keep in mind that we want to what maximum of all this, right? How can I find maximum? This is the case. Let's take the example here. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3. Okay. So let me explain this test case, right? 1 2 3 4 5. In that case, think how I can maximize it. Well, to maximize it, first thing, simply let's say I have chosen the whole array. In that case, it would be what? Median, and the whole array will be replaced by 3, right? Can I have some? Can I do something to make it more maximum? Yes. Suppose I have selected this sub array. In that case, what would happen is it would be 4 4. Now 3 2 1. Then I can choose this one. It will become, sorry, I can choose this one. So this would be the median, then it will become 4 4 4. Then I will choose this one. In that case it will be the medium, then it will become 4 4. Then I will choose this one. This will be the medium, then it will become all 4s. So what I am getting the maximum? I am getting the maximum here is 4. Okay, I find the maximum. So I got something that I can get maximum only when I am nearer to the maximum element, right? Suppose, as you can see here was what? 4 and 5, like, right? Then only I am able to make it 4. I am able to make it both 4. Or one thing I can observe here, if somehow I can make the element duplicate, then I can make the whole array equal to this element. How? Suppose anything 1 2 3 5, anything it would be, right? I have two elements, then I will simply select 3. In that case, the middle would be always 4. If I select 4, then in that case, middle would be always 4. If I select any length of the array, it will always be 4, right? If somehow I can make it duplicate, then in that case, my answer would be the that element, right? So I have observed first thing that to make the maximum, I will first of all I will try to make any element duplicate. If somehow I can make the any element duplicate and that too consecutive, then in that case I am able to do that, right? If I show you, let's say I have a better test case 3 1 3 1 5 0 4 3. Let's say this is the case. What can I make maximum? Okay, suppose 0 4 5, I've selected this subset, right? So I will sort it 0 4 5. Now this will be the medium, and it made what 4 4 4 3 1 3. And I have already told you that if we have two element, if frequency of the answer is 2 or greater than it, I can make the whole array to equal to this. Like I will select 4. If I short it, this will be the second element, so it will make it 4 as well. It will make it 4 as well. It will make it 4 as well. In that case, my answer will be 4. So one thing I am clear that if I can make the frequency of the desirable answer equal to 2, then at any cost I can make it to the whole array, right? So this is clear. The problem is that how I will find this kind of subset. If you look at the test case itself, it is simply observable, right? Let's say I have 3 1 5 0 4 3. If you can see, if you look at it more clearly, then you can simply observe that how I have selected only this, not the any other Sabari subset, whatever you say, right? Why I have selected this? First of all, look. Uh, let's say this was the case. In that case, if I do sort, then max answer would be this. Okay? If I have selected this, if I sort, it will be 0 1 5. So answer would be what? 1. Okay, let's say I have selected what? 504. 504. You know that if I sort it out, I will get 0 4 5, and that would be my answer. Now the answer is 4. Like simply go till the end. Means what I am observing here, I will select 3 elements. Second max of it would be my answer. Why the second max would be my answer? Because if I sort it, it will be at the middle, right? And the middle is the median of the 3 elements. Let's say I have 3 element as 1 5 3. What will the median of it? Simply sort it, and the second one would be median. So I observe this thing, right? And the test case was 3 1 5 0 4 3. Look, 3 1 5 0 4 3. Now look, suppose I have selected this subarray, then median of this would be what? 3. Okay, I have selected this, median of this would be 1. Okay, I have selected this, median of this is what? 4. Okay, I have selected this, median of this is the 3. Now max of all this is my answer. 4 is my answer. This is a simple approach for the problem, right? If it strikes to you, it will be very easier to code it. But yeah, it took me time to strike it as well, and it will take time to strike you as well. Hopefully it will be clear that what I am doing is I am taking the three consecutive elements and taking the second middle second largest element in that. Let's say I have 1 2 3 4 5. I will select first 3 element. Now second median of it is 2. I will select this, median of it is 3. I will select this, median of it is 4. And max of all this is my answer, that is this thing. This is my answer. If you wanna see the code for the problem, okay, so let me show you the code that how I did the problem. So this is the problem. Here I am taking the input, simply input. First of all, look, I am selecting for the three consecutive elements. For the size, if if the sizes of the array is less than equal to 2, in that case I cannot do anything. My median would always be v of 0. So I have assigned the answer value what v of 0. Simply, right? First of all, I have sorted means I want the smallest value basically of it. And after this I am running a loop from 0 to size minus 2 because I am, and then I am creating a vector temp. In that case I am inserting values vi plus 1 vi plus 2. As I had told you that I will insert value 1 and next to it, and then I will simply sort it out. And after sorting it, the middle element temp of 1 in it would be my, it can be my answer, it cannot be my answer. It can be my answer means it always be my answer, but I want the maximum, so I'm taking maximum of the answer simply. So here I got the answer for both the cases. And simply if I try to run the code, yeah, it got me past all the cases, right? So this is the simple approach for the problem.